Good morning to everybody. Authorities, Major, Sirs, Mrs. I'm very proud to be here. I want to thank the organization for inviting the Direction of Telecommunications and Information Society from Catalonia government. And I want to explain how the government of Catalonia helped to build a nature future in our country. Some assets from Catalonia. In short, the 25% of Spanish industry, 20% of GDP, and 20% of Spanish foreign trade. This is some facts that I spent that you have to understand who is Catalonia. Why telecommunications are a strategy infrastructure for any country? Nowadays, the fact that information and communication technologies are a strategy for economy and social development of a country. Catalan government does many projects, and this is some example, six big projects that we are made. The different project lines, in order to prepare the country with a telecommunications network needed for territorial development and industrial promotion. With six main projects like XFOCAT, building a optical fiber connection to all the country. Maytel, it's a government agreement to promote telecommunication infrastructure in all the city works. Industrial ring, it's a competitive ring using the telecommunications infrastructure to connect some kind of industries like automotive industry. Mobile World Capital, it's the major event in the world in mobility sector. Scientific Ring, it's a project to connect the most bigger centers of healthcare in Catalonia, and Catalonia Connecta, it's a big project that builds some infrastructures in our country like towers or pipes or something like that. We would like to connect the government office at 10 megabit connections to almost offices that the government operates. This network width is to be rolled out in the space of 4 years. Is also to connect schools, healthcare centers, research and innovation centers, etc. In this case, the world is mobile. I mean, all the smartphones, all the wearables, or all this kind of devices generates a lot of data, and we need to deploy the infrastructures that support this kind of traffic and this kind of industry. The European Commission has chosen Barcelona City as the first European capital of innovation. Barcelona is an example of a smart city improving their management thinking through the technology to improve services to the citizens. In this case, Smart Catalonia strategy, it's focused to add value with services using an existing connection. Catalonia 3.2 strategy, I hope in a few weeks, government of Catalonia will be adopt an agreement about the Smart Catalan region strategy. Smart Catalonia is a strategy plan that government wants to deploy a program that uses technology and information management to innovate in the field of public services, increasing participation and engagement of citizens and achieving a more sustainability society, both economically and environmentally. I mean citizen as a sensor, mobiles, smart sensors, smart cars, smart traffic, open data, web services, something like that, it's important to know that this kind of services we need to provide to and build these services in our city. In short, we will make Catalonia a reference in Europe in the growth of generating digital society.